Isaac Newton was born in December 25, 1642 at Woolsthorpe prematurely and posthumously. His survival was in question for some time, and by tradition, Newton was small enough to fit into a small quart pot. 1655, Newton attends grammar school at nearby Grant Lemon, aged 12. 1660, during autumn, Newton returns to Grant Lemon School and boards with the headmaster John Stokes, who appears to have recognized talent in the young Newton. June 5, 1661, Newton matriculates at Trinity College, Cambridge, as Westphal suggests, the most important watershed in his life. February 23, 1669, Newton describes his reflecting telescope in a letter to Henry Oldenburg, first Secretary of the Royal Society. December 1682, Newton observes Halley's Comet. Newton's first law of motion. An object at rest will remain at rest unless acted on by an unbalanced force. An object in motion continues in motion with the same speed and in the same direction unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. This law is often called the law of inertia. This means that there is a natural tendency of objects to keep on doing what they're doing. All objects resist changes in their state of motion. In the absence of an unbalanced force, an object in motion will maintain this state of motion. Newton's second law of motion. Acceleration is produced when a force acts on a mass. The greater the mass of the objects being accelerated, the greater the amount of force needed to accelerate the object. Mike's car, which weighs 1,000 kilograms, is out of gas. Mike is trying to push the car to a gas station, and he makes the car go 0.05. Using Newton's second law, you can compute how much force Mike is applying to the car. F is equals to 1,000 times 0.05. Answer is equals to 50 newtons. Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. This means that for every force, there is a reaction force that is equal in size, but opposite in direction. That is to say that whenever an object pushes another object, it gets pushed back in the opposite direction equally hard. The rocket's action is to push down on the ground with the force of its powerful engines, and the reaction is that the ground pushes the rocket upwards with an equal force. March 18, 1727, Newton's health fails. He collapses and borders on death. March 20, 1727, Isaac Newton dies at Kensington between 1 a.m. to 2 a.m. March 28, 1727, Newton's body lays in state in Westminster Abbey.